So you're back with another reaction video, this time reacting to Warning. This video will cause Wheezing Laughter by Mcnasty. So if you've seen Mcnasty's videos, you should know what their sense of humor is like by now, and of course the other members of the Goons and his friends. So I'm not going to really waste too much of your time by plugging it. So all I can say is the link to the original video will be in the description down below. Please go and subscribe to Mcnasty and all members of the Goons and all their friends in the description of the original video. So, without further ado, let's get this up on screen and let's get into this.
What's going on?
Joe Biden's hard resetting.
If my baby sounds like that.
Yep, Yummy's in here.
It's a hard day. Change his battery.
He's going back to factory settings.
Factory defaulting Joe Biden.
He's just like in the middle of like a speech or something. He just.
He pretty much does that.
Wow.
What do you mean? Yeah, man, that's not far off.
I don't have to imagine. I can just pull up a clip. Like,
Yeah.
Anytime he's ever spoken.
Hey. I was going to do my typical intro for this video, but unfortunately I'm sick. Oh, get well soon, mate. And my voice sounds ridiculous, but anyway, I just wanted to say I hope you all have a happy new year.
What is that random like pluck noise?
That's like when they take the flag or something.
it's me ripping my cat's whiskers out.
Sounds like a
You dick.
Okay.
It's me de-hooving a horse.
De-hooving?
He's squashing a dog.
Oh, wow.
Using a ferret as a gym sock.
Oh my god.
I think these people spend too much time on the dark web.
It's me swallowing a small Asian man.
All of them or apart?
Why?
You feel
Wow.
better now, buddy?
Imagine your baby does it, just burps and screams like a 28-year-old
Don't babies
man.
do that all the time?
That's a dumpster baby now.
What would you do?
Wow,
If your
Wow,
baby sounded
Blog.
like,
I'd bash his head against a wall.
Call of
Damn.
Probably start a band with it, to be honest. Give him Slackjaw.
I'd start a band
Wow.
and I'd make him the bass drum.
I'm making
Okay.
my microphone.
He's singing into his mouth.
Fuck's sake,
Out by
dude.
the
Wait,
neck.
where does the cable plug in?
It's ass. Oh, you know.
Oh,
That's
that's
way too fast.
He's already blueprinted up a diagram for one.
Blueprint up a diagram, more like, shut up.
okay.
I have no argument against that.
I win.
Yes, sir.
You should be a lawyer, Mcnasty.
Understood.
Be
Yeah.
a defense attorney.
Oh, he murdered me in high speed? Oh, more like, shut up.
Oh, shut up. Nobody wants to hear it.
Wow.
Boo-hoo.
Ratio plus white, get out of the courtroom.
Like when all the Twitter kids grow up and become lawyers.
Howie Mandel leg hair.
Yeah, I'm a Howie Mandel flip-flop salesman. Would you like to see my wares?
Howie Man Toshiba.
Howie Mangina.
Howie
Mandel.
Womandel.
I don't know why. I could just see Howie Mandel having a pussy.
Howie Mandel,
Okay.
bald pussy.
Stop listening to your Google search history.
It's like
Wow.
when your mom takes your laptop and it's like looking through your history. Howie Mandel,
Howie Mandel bald.
You have like 8 and have no
Wow.
idea what a pussy is at all.
I see this Howie Mandel bald pussy on your laptop again.
How do you go about punishing your child? Like, I feel
And she'll go, you look at that one more time, I'll show you mine. Sorry, that was...
like I'd really fuck him up for life if I got mad at him for that. Like, he tried to rebel and then only be attracted to Howie Mandel bald pussy for the rest of the
Oh,
I wouldn't believe that. I would think someone stole my child's laptop.
Yeah, Dr. Phil, my child won't stop searching for Howie Mandel's bald pussy.
wow.
You gotta just enable him. You just gotta take him to a Howie Mandel meet and greet at that point.
Show me your bald pussy.
For himself.
Pull his pants
Nazi,
down.
shut
Show
up.
him your bald pussy, Howie.
Oh,
This is not real, Howie. No, this is not real.
Please, Howie, my son's crying. Show him your bald pussy, Howie.
All he talks
Wow.
about is your bald pussy, or lack thereof.
Jesus Christ! What
What a
the
weird
weird crush
conversation
all of
this
his
is.
Yeah.
dreams.
you think?
Howie
Hey,
Mandel's
we're really
So
still talking about his
stupid.
bald pussy. This really went longer than 4 seconds. Oh my god.
Bloggers losing it. You think?
God.
God.
I get freaky in the sheets.
Like what? What do you do? This
Yeah, what do you like to do?
Put both my legs behind my head, do a front flip, and then insert my dick into the vagina in midair.
Okay, well, we
That's
get it.
kinda
You're a
sick.
member of FaZe.
FaZe needs to have
What?
a porn team that just does crazy porn trick shots, like a 360 cum shot.
Straight into the uterus.
I'm gonna see Face Banks fuck Face Temper.
Just the phase members fucking each other.
I want to see FaZe stank sideburn pussy fuck.
I would absolutely love to see that. He's got it.
Would you guys fuck a frog if it was legal?
No.
Is it
I
not?
mean, that's
Who's gonna stop you?
yeah. I do it now, and no one stops
it-
me.
What's the frog gonna do? Call the
Is
cops?
is it gonna take you to court in his little frog tuxedo?
Yeah, call the cops, little bitch. They don't speak ribbit. Fuck you.
Hey, rape me.
I'm never gonna be able to unhear
No, I'm never gonna undo that either.
that. Maybe all frogs is just a cry for help.
Oh my god.
Every
all
frog
victims
just
of
fighting for its life.
Wow.
Lark, you
Carry
got
on
one
my
more
penis,
kill than
son.
Beast Player.
That's pretty sick.
That's pretty sad.
Are you implying Beast Player is not a beast?
I've never seen somebody with Beast Player be #1 on the leaderboard, I'll tell you that.
Oh.
That's, you know what? That's actually pretty fair.
XX Beast Mode XX. He's like 4 and 14.
They have not been at the top of the leaderboard since 2012.
His dad's hitting him with a belt in the background.
Yeah.
Is there a single disease with a more fitting name than Downs?
It really isn't.
Wow.
They couldn't have come
Like-
up with something better to name it. It just
I
sounds
feel like
kinda...
whoever got that one got it right.
No,
You
that's
got
the
it,
most
you got it right.
accurately named thing.
What if it was just like URGH? Just
Oh,
Pretty good.
That'd be a lot.
wow.
Okay,
motherfucker
fair
got
enough.
syndrome.
Is Mr. Krabs legally allowed to eat at the Red Lobster, or is that like some kind of racist thing?
I don't know. Is there
Can you
like
be racist against another crustacean?
Oh.
Lobsters!
I
All my
don't know
homies
the
hate
rate of
lobsters!
crustacean
Actually-
hate crimes?
Let's
You never
see.
see Larry the Lobster and Mr. Krabs together.
That's actually
is
true.
true.
It's true they
There's
hate
like
each
a
other. Confirmed.
Decade-long gang war between the lobsters and the crabs and the bottom.
It's
Mass
smaller
is
than
smaller
Michigan.
than Michigan.
I would imagine Michigan's
Things
pretty
that
big.
are smaller than Michigan. Number 10.
My penis.
Number 9.
My penis.
Number
Oh.
8.
My penis.
Number 7.
My penis.
I think I'm starting to get the trend
Number
here.
6.
My penis.
Number 1 will make you want to fuck your dad. Number 5.
My penis.
Number 4.
My penis.
Number 3 and 2.
My penis.
And
My
Number 1.
penis. That was like we were reading the McDonald's menu, kind of.
Well,
In what way?
You roll up to the drive-thru. I'm blind. Could you tell me what's on the menu?
my
Number
penis.
10.
That wouldn't surprise
Look at
me.
the Spanish menu, please.
El penis.
Numero 1. El huevos.
Make it at number 5, large. Yeah, sorry, sir. They do not actually come in large.
We got medium,
Oh, I
take
just
or
got
leave
that.
it.
Charcoal slushy.
Okay.
Okay. Charcoal slushy.
Santa's giving out special gifts this Christmas.
Christmas themed drink, charcoal slushy. I got another hypothetical.
Oh god.
Would you rather eat one of your mom's turds on live television or live the rest of your life with one leg?
These are so easy. I'm eating the turd. Why is it the legs?
Dude's videos
Okay.
would only be half as good if he lost one of his
Okay,
legs.
listen. You have to eat your mom's turds for a year on live television, or you live the rest of your life blind.
Like 365.
Wait,
like,
actually-
every time mom poos, I gotta go live.
Yes.
Wow.
Man.
If you poop for a year, would you go blind anyways?
I was about to say.
Your only sustenance is mom's
Yummy.
shit.
Yummy's the thinking man.
Yummy's a scholar amongst us.
He's thinking long-term turds over here.
What is my mom eating? Because that does change it.
Why am I
She's
dancing?
eating like corned beef brisket every day and not like vegetables.
Are we saying only the turds? Because I don't know how many calories are in a turd. That might not be enough
Yeah,
to
like,
live.
can I have like a plate of beans?
No. You
as
can
well?
still have regular food throughout the year. Like, you can still have your normal diet.
Oh yeah, then
Right.
treat myself with a good old hamburger after eating mom's shit.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Just imagine hearing that out of context. What Clark just said.
I don't think it was ever in
One day Eating
context.
turds out of mom's ass. I'm gonna have a good old hamburger.
Okay, I got another one. Would you rather?
Like you're just silent for like 5 minutes and then okay, I got another one.
That's exactly what I'm doing. Actually,
in silence.
I'm pondering my orb.
Pondering your
Would you
mind.
rather be world famous, like everyone knows who you are, or sucking off Hitler?
Yes.
Okay.
Or you
Yes,
have
the other one doesn't matter. That one, yes.
Or would you rather lose a leg?
or would you rather live the rest of your life with no legs?
Oh my god. What is this?
Your first ones are always super creative, and the last one's
You decide
terrible.
to validate
You just
your
want us
feelings
to-
about losing your legs.
Yeah, you just want us to be
Is Sue
like,
hype?
legless with
Soup
you or
hyping
something?
high again?
I would
Actually,
never
that's
make you
the point.
cosplay as Legolas with me. Listen, guys, I want to be Lieutenant Dan, alright? I'm going through a bit of an identity crisis.
Yeah, I'll say. I would rather suck off Hitler.
Well, that's a
show me
definitive answer.
That's my new sub-sound.
Oh dear.
Oh my god.
He could show me his cool little paintings or whatever, and I'll suck him off. End of story.
It's cool. Little
Honestly, that sounds like a nice
Wow.
romantic night.
Yeah.
He has his own custom-made flags and everything. It's
You
pretty
know what?
cool.
Yeah, sign me up for Hitler. I'm down.
All right.
Sign me up for Hitler. Wow.
Wow.
I mean,
Said all of- Come up with one that actually makes me want to cut my legs off, Soup.
I'm trying, dude. I'm trying.
You're gonna have to try a lot harder than giving Hitler a little top, okay?
But everyone knows it. Like, you go out in public and they're like, that's the guy that sucked off Hitler.
I'd much rather them say that than be like, that's the guy with no legs, yo.
Wow.
That loser wheeling up the ramp to this restaurant.
I would own it. I would literally own it.
Like, I sucked his dick. Yeah, I'm a loser.
I'd be like, yeah, look at me. I'm Hitler suck dick guy.
Yeah, I'd be like,
Like flexing and shit.
yeah. I didn't really agree with his ideas, but good wiener. Yeah.
I don't know why I'm so
Oh,
angry. Big old dick.
Yeah.
oh, this is so cursed.
Guy.
Oh my god.
That's my gamer tag.
Oh.
Can we say Hitler this many times in a video?
I doubt it, bro. The YouTube bot is like starting to like short circuit over this video, probably.
What merch provider do you think Hitler went through?
Alright, Teespring.
That's just slander. I don't know if you could say
Yeah,
that.
I know. I don't know about that one.
Wow.
Three black dot. Maybe Misfits management.
Probably anti-Jewish t-shirts.com.
I want you guys to come up with some hypotheticals.
Would you be Joe Biden's little slut puppy?
Slut puppy.
That is also my gamer tag.
Slut puppy.
He can't even get his dick hard. Is he gonna do drool in my mouth while I sleep?
Okay, you couldn't say that about Hitler, dude. He could have had ED, you fucker.
Wow.
Had a little fucking
whisper in my
Hitler
ear,
was
kind of
hung.
weird.
I don't know about Joe Biden though.
fuck is wrong with you?
Or lose your legs.
Soup,
Oh my god.
Soup, what's wrong with you?
You could just about say anything. I'm keeping the legs.
Okay. Would you rather have the motherfucking N-word tattooed on your forehead and you cannot cover it with hair or anything? Or lose your legs?
The N-word.
Can I do
Wow.
both?
Racist Geo dude.
I'm pretty sure if you had the N-word, if any white guy had the N-word tattooed on his forehead and he couldn't cover it up, I'm pretty sure he will lose his legs eventually. Or any... But you never know.
Dude, you would be one fucked up creative character if you did both of those.
Oh,
I would just
God.
be wondering if he lost the legs first or got the tattoo first.
I would look at that guy and be like, man, he has been through some shit.
Yeah, like, I wouldn't even bother him. Like, I just let him be racist in peace.
It's like, he got jumped by like some white supremacist
Wow.
clan and chopped his leg off and tattooed his fucking head.
Wow.
Would you rather shit yourself forever or piss yourself forever? Non-stop 24/7.
Piss.
Absolutely pissed. I could
Nah,
just
nah, definitely not. Definitely not. I gotta take it
Nah.
back. If I was known for shitting myself constantly, that's gonna result in a lot of bullying. So I would just use that to my advantage and become like a fucking doo-doo villain.
True, you'd always have projectiles against any enemy.
It'd probably be easier to have sex while you're shitting yourself than peeing yourself.
Dude, you're not having sex. Like, that's out of this fucking question. You're not having sex.
Yeah, I
Ever.
didn't think that was even on the table here.
Wow. Of course, Yummy had to put that on
Only
the
has good
table.
enough game to have sex.
There's, bro,
Standing in the
dude,
bar,
Dude,
you smell like
Yummy,
the monkey
come
cage
on,
at the
man.
zoo
the
the whole
fucking
time.
Rock doesn't have good enough game to have sex while he's shitting constantly.
Wow.
I don't know. If he's got enough drive and power.
gone 300 days with no shower. Smells real bad.
Enough
Oh.
money can change a bitch's mind.
It's not you smell like shit. You are shit at that point.
Yeah.
Like,
Like, if you stand there and talk to the bitch long enough, it will start coming out of your shorts.
Oh, wow.
it's already coming out if it's as constant.
Yeah,
it's
it's
already, it's been
You
fucking-
have
you
a
got a
trail
You have a
Oh,
snail
my
trail
God.
of shit behind you. Would you rather go 20 seconds with a gorilla and you actually have to fight it, or you have to go an hour with Conor McGregor and he can't stop?
An hour with Conor McGregor.
Yeah,
An
probably
hour.
an
Dude, he's
hour.
getting huge now, though.
Conor McGregor can kill you though. It's a full hour of getting like full force punched.
If you're with a pissed off gorilla, you're gonna die instantly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
literally instantly. It will squish your skull like a grape.
He's,
Yeah.
yeah,
Dude,
he's
Conor
not-
McGregor's hands are registered weapons though.
But the gorilla can just walk up and tear you in half. Like,
Yeah.
that's literally it.
Yeah, but
Like,
Conor
you're doing
McGregor
that,
can
man.
punch you to
The
death.
question is
Yeah, but you're
basically
like-
either die or have a chance of dying.
Well, you're a vegetable if you survive either one.
Bro, the gorilla just walk up and open your rib cage like a bag of chips. That is nothing.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Here's what you do. The second you start the Conor McGregor fight, just start wailing his balls. Kick him in the balls instantly.
Oh.
You can't do that. You have to do like
Will the gorilla be following the UFC rules?
no.
Be following the rules in the
There are
jungle,
no
bro.
rules in the jungle, bro.
Yeah.
You can kick the gorilla in the balls.
Even if you kick a gorilla in the balls, it's not gonna be like, oh man, that hurts.
No, it'd just be extra pissed.
Murder you.
You don't know that, dude. Have you ever kicked a gorilla in the balls? You don't know how he's gonna react.
I would imagine it would get even more angry.
Maybe he's a masochist gorilla and that makes him horny. It like satiates his anger.
Oh my god.
No.
That's fine. He's got a 2-inch pecker. We've already gone over that, dude.
But that's good.
Exactly. So maybe the gorilla is the right choice.
No. You think? And that'll do it. This is being another funny video by Mcnasty and friends. So anyway, if you like this reaction, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next.